The name is Sony for this old TV. It only has the simplest things I've ever seen before. Cable and antenna. And this cable. And this is how you take it apart. Take the two screws out here and there. Right there. See it? And I forgot there's two screws over here and there. Take those out. When you're done taking out the screws, just pull it out. That's it. Let's go to it. Take this red thing out of that, so you pull that out. There. That's out now. Then you take all the wires out of this board, like that. Like that. Hey guys, Samsung DVD player. This is how you take it apart. Take the screw there, there, and there. And this is how you take it apart. Lift it up. Hold it. That's how you do it. All kinds of board guys. And disconnect the power plug. See it? Let's pull that up. That clip. Lift it. And